How to fix Snapchat AI giving wrong responses. So let me tell you guys, Snapchat's My AI is an evolving chatbot that can occasionally generate incorrect information due to training limitation. You can simply follow some of the steps to improve your AI's responses. If the AI gives the wrong answer, reply with the correct information. The AI will adapt to the ongoing conversation's context. Now the next what you can do is clear the chat history. The AI may be pulling from outdated context in your current chat. Simply open your Snapchat app on your device, then swipe right to go to your chat screen, then press and hold on My AI, then tap Chat and Notification Settings and select Clear from Chat Feed. Now tap Clear to confirm it. Now the next what you can do is start a fresh topic. If the AI is confused, simply tell it to let's start over with a new topic to wipe its short-term memory of previous mistakes. Now the next what you can do is update your Snapchat app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, simply tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.